What is up guys, Tan of the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook leads to your Google Sheets. So first, you need to head over to your Zapier, and then on the left side, you need to click on create and then create a new Zap. After clicking on Zaps, here the Zap editor will open where you need to choose the trigger. In the trigger, you need to choose the Facebook lead ads, and after choosing it here in the event, you need to choose the new lead. After that, you need to sign in with your Facebook lead ads account, and then this will be activated. Now in the trigger, you need to choose Google Sheets. After choosing the Google Sheets, you need to choose an event of, let's say, create spreadsheet rows or create multiple spreadsheet rows. And after clicking here, this means every new lead will be created and displayed in the multiple spreadsheet rows, and also sign in with your Google Sheets account to activate it. And when this app is activated, you can test it by just clicking on this test run, and when you feel like it's all right and ready to go, you can click on this publish button to publish it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.